thinking. But the more I keep fighting, the more you keep sinking. And hate the fact that I miss you and wish you were here with me right now. And I'm hurting. I see you moved on, I claim I'm not tripping. But yet I stay on your Facebook, your Twitter to see how you're living. Hate the fact that I'm low-key a stalker, not much of a talker. Damn, I'm hurting. Do you think of me? Do you think of me? I see him kiss you the way that I kissed you. Do you remember the day that I met you, the day I fell for you? Now you act like I'm nothing, you frontin', don't you miss me right now? Damn, I'm hurting. Hate the fact that I love you but hate you. And the fact that I reread our messages, screenshotted messages. Hate the fact that I'm losing my mind, can we be one time? Cause I'm hurting. Do you think, do you think of me? Yeah. Do you think? I wanna know of me. Reminiscing about the time we spent together. You moving on, you living life as if you don't remember. I try to hide the hurt, I try to keep my cool, but it's kinda hard to do when I see you with that dude. It kills me. I'm tripping, swear I thought this was forever. Not literally forever, but I thought we'd be together by now. Can you tell me how? We went from speaking every day to not being allowed to communicate. We went from being real genuine to hella fake. Faking smiles and laughs. I know it's hella late, and that's why I keep this to myself. There's too much on my plate. Thought this was forever. I thought this was forever. I thought this to you.